What is going on, guys? Parallaxox here, and today we're back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to, when you press your shift key, you make your walk speed go faster. So first go into starter player, go into starter character scripts, and insert a script into that. So right click, go into insert object, put script, actually not script, local script. Local script because local stuff so the toggle patterns and that. So actually go into insert object and put local script. Get rid of the current hello world, and then we do local player equals, which is game dot, not gamer, game dot players dot local player. So it finds the player that the script is being run on, so your character basically, or anyone that plays your game. Local UIS, which is a game service which lets you see what people type in on their keyboard. So game get service, and then in quotations user input service, and then in bracket, and then local character equals player dot character. So basically it finds the player and then it finds this character, so like your avatar or something. Then UIS dot input began. So basically if you touched the key, which in this case will be shift, okay, then function, and then I'm just going to put rest. Because I don't need you there. Okay, and then if input, which is the input that figured out from out there, dot key code, which is basically how you find all of the letters on your keyboard, equals enum dot key code dot left shift. You could change this to anything if you really wanted to. You could change it to the Y key. I don't know why you would, but you could. Then basically you just put char dot humanoid dot walk speed, so it gets the walk speed of the character, and then we set it to whatever you want here. I'm just gonna put 100, even though you shouldn't put it that high in your game. Anyways, why? Oh, let's change this function name to input. I forgot about that. There. Now that'll fix that. And char, its character. That's why they weren't working, because the functions. Okay. Now you can just copy this and basically just paste it down here. And instead of input began, you put input ended. So if it stopped, ended. So if it stopped, so if they stop pressing left shift, you change it back to the normal walk speed, which is 16. So if we run this game, we should have a speed of 100 while I'm holding the left shift, and when I'm not, I will go back to the default walk speed of 16. So when we run this, we go again. And when we run this, so I'm walking right now without pressing left shift, and I'm walking normal speed, at least. And when I press left shift, it makes me go way faster. If my game would like to, it makes me go way faster. And if I let go, it goes way slower. So thanks for watching, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.